virus bintu robira Ndizi TV News ke jago na sabo Ndizi TV News ke ayena yo mokora ayena gwatebie ke naye omwanjo ndigeti kurwa bwo gane to gonsoja soa asakuru kwa Ndizi TV News e Facebook YouTube yaito Ndizi TV News omakonyora chi program chinyinge muna mangana yoboremi akoleto na Mildred chikosoria chikoleto na ndemo papa ntibera chokoleta chingero amuna mangana mange igano bwanzubule bwo mugusi Ndizi TV akino meto bwanzuborobi ai yakiwata basi Ndizi TV News
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwomogusi.
Mwancho murigereria na gukwanira ndonsi asoberete kerobono Nyarangi Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono mubaso ne ariganire kurugigase studio egere nkoretera mangana Amayia Chinsa yobwenge buna atekire kurwa gusi goika asense yaito ya Kenya ingima na bakogendera gutobwatia ase mitandao ya Facebook buna Ndizi TV News na boiga sense mo ya YouTube na bogotobwatia buna Ndizi TV News kwira nande asegekeke kerebosio egere nkomanyenga nararia ya gose na kwariganire Nteni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita ekerobono abanasiasa baboliwe kwenekia omorembe na korali omorembe ase chi campaign chiabo busio bwobochori obonene ayo na mangana ya baraibe chikanisa bakoragwa nomo Archbishop Jackson Olsapit ekerobalenge guchengera litukolie Pasaka ase kanisa ya All Saints Cathedral ime yomochie o Nairobi ase babolira abanasiasa kurenda chinkwa na bagukwana tichiba isago turubania omorembe.
The leadership and those people who are looking for opportunities to lead, instead of giving us their vision, they have hurled abusive words against each other. They have said things that are not helpful to one another. They have incited people against their opponents.
Tuende katika uchaguzi tukiwa na amani, roho za amani, tutafute amani na tutakiana amani kila mmoja.
Can it not be that we as a nation can work towards togetherness rather than constantly bickering and fighting? Politics is not about fighting. It's about contesting one against another.
Chinga kechu ya karututigarita sense mayoko eneki omorembe wana nigabara yabo ase kurase jidini ao baigo baganiria Kenya bonsi ko babatoereru abo ase baboliria Kenya gose abasae tibabaisa gutumekwa na banasiasa chinga kechiga chichi campaign niko batebire buna maega yobochori gokoreka kiromo Kenya na atagitomo Kenya mwabo eliense ya Kenya genderere niko baigo batebire buna kiromonto na bwatobo ene bugosira mwanasiasa ndebwensi kurende banyariko babakwenekia omorembe.
Pray. Let us have peaceful elections in whichever area you will be, irrespective of the candidates of your choice. Let election be an act in which all of us want to exercise our freedom, but also exercise in peace. We also pray for unity. Now that the president is about to leave, the tenure is coming to an end. We pray that may the ending be such that he will reconcile with his deputy, so that he will be an example to others in future, and never live with the pain and the agony of what they experienced with his deputy. May they reconcile before the end or before the election time, so that he will be a model and an example for other generations to come.
Ekiombe kia basae aiga Kenya kia Youth for Kenya YFK nigo batebire bagucha gutegerera abaronereri bonsi bali bakurigiye kirugo cy'uburai bwensa senseito ya Kenya na kuiwa chi agenda nechi manifesto chiabo magega batarachora bunaningo bagucha gusira asobacholi buli busyo wetera umulikyo baselieta Eric Amunga nigo batebire buna nigo boigo bamukanire mokonyi bumurai bwense William Ruto okwanera igoro y'obacholyo boke obwikyama kya UDA wanyarakoba bokwera asamatuka make aitire abasabarwanereri bande bataisaneka amo n'obacholyo bwo abasaya bwo boigo nigo batebire buna nigo bagendrete kwene kyomulembe na gusababu nense ya Kenya enyare gokora obacholi asenchira yobwene amo n'obwasioku.
Vijana power. Thank you very much. My name is Eric Amunga. I'm the Secretary General YFK, Youth for Kenya, and we are pleased with what has happened currently in Kenya, and we advocate for free and fair nomination. Even though we would like to say that some of our members by association from UDA, and they were infringed in a way that we don't like, and we condemn that in the strongest terms possible, and we are asking, because we are non-partisan as YFK, we represent young people of Kenya. We want to ask the DP himself to come out clear on the issue that happened last week on nomination, because for us we are advocating for peaceful and credible election. So here I have members of YFK and also candidates from different political parties, of which us as YKF, we are campaigning for them, and we want to ensure that they get into political seats, so that as young people of this nation, we have what is called representation, because we have been infringed for a long time, and we want to say enough is enough. Youth power. Also as YFK, I want just to add before I introduce my members, my candidates from different political parties, that soon we'll be launching our delegates meeting, and for us we shall make also a decision when it comes to presidential endorsement. We shall be sitting down with those two leaders, so that we can see who has the interests of young people at heart. Youth power. So what we are asking for those presidential candidates to avail themselves, so that we can scrutinize them as candidates.
Omorai wikiama kia ODM oyoboigo gucha kwirukia bandera yobomo wa Azimio la Umoja Raila Amolo Odinga nigobona tebire agucha kuligereria mangana ya Bible bamenyete buka gose single parents aso gucha kobakonya onyaka gucha koba omurayo gatano wense ya Kenya. Odinga nigatebire buna abaibuli banga bunabo nigo bagenderete guchandika asenseito ya Kenya chingaki obugima bugenderete gokonga boigo nigalieteira yo gucha gukine uchumi yense ya Kenya chingaki arabe omurayi bwense gatano asense yaito ya Kenya. Odinga nigaya kwaneta ya abwigoro chingaki kiranete asamatanga yamo asense moya Gedia egotoka se county ya Trans Nzoia.
Bwana yake alifariki, yeye amebaki ni mjane, ana watoto. Wengine walikuwa wameoana, hali ya maisha kawa mbaya, wamewachana na bwana yake. Hawa wamama wanapata shida mingi zaidi. Hawa wamama watapata msaada kutoka kwa serikali yangu.
Omurai wikiama kia Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nigonere litukuligoro aboleti abakristo kurwase kanisa ya Liberty imeyensemo ya South B omucho Nairobi komobeka asamasabo na gotebabuna Nyasaye omocholire achakoba omokonyi oya Raila Odinga asobocholi bulebusyo. Kolengana na Kalonzo Musyoka nigatebire nabwenerete koba running mate gosomo konyo ya Odinga asengencho nigabwate kirengekia nobumanyo bonene asamangana yuburai.
So when you do your calculations, because they are busy conspiring, who is going to be the running mate, who is not going to be the running mate, please help them. Help them to know that what God has determined, no human being will stop it. And so as we do so, we're on a mission. We're on a mission to change the way this country is governed. We're on a mission to do away with endemic poverty, deprivation, marginalization, misrule, because the people don't believe in the rule of law. So will you Kenyans relax? Please relax and give God a chance. Let God shape the affairs and the destiny of this nation.
Litukeli marioka magega yo mabunge o Makueni Dan Manzu kobolia obomo bwazimio la umoja komoa Kalonzo okoboko soko machora koba omokonyo ya Raila Odinga wana nigo Kalonzo Musyoka nerbo igo anchiranire engane yo nagatebabuna na bwenerete ko chorwa ase okoba ase libagelio aya niga gocha magega yo gochora chiraning met gose abakonyi bali bakoligia ekerogo kyobora bwense na Raila Odinga na William Ruto kwewa amatuko ikomioka eligocha kochora olibago chako konya na komo ase okoligia oborai bwense Kalonzo Musyoka nigesokire abwigoro abwasate tebuna naisaine aso gocha koira libagelio na gotebabuna korwa segesa kukia bakamba nere naisaine aso gochorwa.
But the time has now come to stop telling the people of Mount Kenya region that Kalonzo is not a Mkikuyu. I am. Are you with me? Are you with me? If anybody tells you Kalonzo is not a Kikuyu, he's not a Madaraka, he's not, therefore the Kikuyus and the Tharakas and everybody else must get to be vice president or be president in order for this country to progress, please pray for them.
Keombe gosebiombe korwa sechinse chia German nense America wono litukuli igoro gosenigo banyariko bakorwa bokonyi ase county ya Nakuru abwase banyariko bakwagachira abana bakorwa ase chia mate chitali kwenyara amona abana bali bamenyete no barema eskuru yekerero iligocha kweneke buna abana abona barabwongo kora bali bya asa masomo na kuikera abana bande asense ya Kenya engima bakonyi obo nigo bwakiretwe ngambuya mono na bamenyi abaiboli na babwatani bejiseme korwa ase county ya Nakuru.
Ile kwa hii shule ya Live and Learn wameanzisha CBC classrooms na hii itaweza kusaidia wananchi na wanafunzi wa maeneo haya kwa sababu wanaweza wakasoma kwa njia nzuri na wale ambao wamelemewa na hali ya masomo wanaweza kupata masomo katika njia ambayo inaweza kusaidia watoto wao katika maisha yao ya baadaye. Na tunashukuru sana shule la LLK kwa sababu ya kuleta masomo karibu na wananchi.
My name is Brick Steiner. I'm an American living in Germany and I'm the founder and the chairwoman of Live and Learn in Kenya International and also of the German organization Leben und Lernen in Kenya. Live and Learn in Kenya is a community. It's not just an organization that funds money. It's an organization that has built a community of...
So far we are doing well, especially on matters to do with the new curriculum, the best competence curriculum, the CBC. They are very important and we want to say thank you.
Mwanchu murigirile na rayo asebona senchira yo bwenge kolende tumirana ende chikoroga chinsa ikomi chabana magaroba nchiko kumanya yo amana yanda mange asenchira yo bwenge ngwakangambia mono asebali magandete kutuligirile gwetera senchira ya Facebook Ndizi TV News na baiga sensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News biamano kirage o Maturi Vincent akoligele kora chinsemo chabo machoge burabu constituency agoteba anuali mekuroboge sangyo sobo mana bali mwensi mukolika gwetera senchira ya mitandao na bali mwensi mwera chinga kichaino na kuligerelia Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere biamono producer ane omosai Jmo asokonekia eliogi nechibicha chikirero mwanchu muligerelia asenchira yobotoereru na inche nako yasomera senchira yobwenge nigonkoro kwa Nyarangi Ontita na ndengendrete okuganelia epasaka engia